Hello, my name is Jay, and today I built my very first second LEGO PC, and I'll be doing a full time-lapse of the build later on in this video if you'd like to stick around for that. But this is a computer completely made out of LEGO, or a computer case completely made out of Legos. Now obviously the computer components wouldn't work if they were made out of Legos, but the point of this is that I wanted to set out to build a case out of Legos that would kind of accommodate for the various parts, sizes, etc. while still keeping it nice and cool, which is basically designing a case from scratch to fit a certain, type of build. Now this case obviously is kind of more of a cubicle kind of build, but one of the things I really do like about it is it's quite sturdy. It's actually really strong, and I was really excited with how that went out because the last build that we built, if you want to check that out, that's also on my channel, we basically built it and it really wasn't as sturdy. It kind of fell apart. It wasn't really that, sturdy, and I don't think I would want to put my components in there simply because of the fact that I just didn't want something to break because the graphics cards are kind of, flimsy if you, push them the wrong way or something like that. So the point of the story is that this case actually does a really good job keeping the parts where they're supposed to be. Now, if you're wondering the specs on here, everything you see here in this computer was $75 around there. We're missing a graphics card that I got with the original system, and we're adding a graphics card in there, so it's around $75. But point of the story is, it's a 660, GTX 660 for the graphics card, a i5, first generation at like 2.8 gigahertz something. But this computer is actually a semi-decent computer nowadays if you are trying to, just do some basic system, or basic stuff, I guess. But the biggest thing I wanted to point out here is that everything, this case has room for absolutely everything you want to put in. So, in the back here, I'm going to see if I can turn this around real quick for you guys. I've got plenty of room. Obviously, the cable management could be a little bit better because this is a fully modular power, or not a fully modular power supply. So the problem with that is that's why all these cables are back here. If you want to look back here real quick, you can actually go through and see that we've got room for multiple hard drives back here. You can probably add up to 3, I believe. Also, we got some room for some SSDs if you're interested in adding those in as well. So we've got plenty of room to add on, I guess, in that sense, to build more stuff or include more stuff in the case. Now, you're probably going, well, how much would this case cost? Well, Legos are expensive, and I'm estimating probably around 600 Legos individually in this case, but obviously they're whole bricks. So this would probably cost somewhere around $200. And if you were to buy this, now I've been collecting this for a long time, collecting all the pieces that I have, so this was not a big deal because I've just had them, and obviously I didn't pay that much back whenever, I don't know, there's a wide collection of Legos, so I've just kind of put them all together here. Now, one of the biggest things I wanted to make sure I included when I built this system is I wanted to make sure that we had plenty of room right here, that it was really a really good I/O shield, because I didn't want to include the default stock I/O shield because the problem with that is it's really hard to fit it in with Legos. So I had to build my own custom I/O shield kind of to go make sure it would accommodate and fit where it's supposed to be, as well as the graphics card. The graphics card has actually got a really nice sturdy structure, and it actually doesn't wiggle around too much, so it's really good. The other thing I had to watch out is the graphics card has these little things that like to come off, which were really difficult to build around, so I had to slide out the graphics card a little bit. One of the other things I did like about when I built this is that the graphics card is a not a blower style, which means that I have to actually go through here and put the some room back here for the fan to blow, as well as room for everything else. So now I'm going to move on to the time-lapse of this build. If you've got any questions, I'd like to see you guys in the comments, and of course if you do enjoy these videos, if this video gets 50 likes, let's go for 25 likes. I will build another LEGO PC because the last one got really popular, so I'll do another one if we get 25 likes. But this is a full case that you can add on and build onto. Plus, it's all LEGO, which is really cool. So now to the time lapse. If you did enjoy this video, subscribe, and of course, hope you guys enjoyed the lovely build of this lovely beauty right here.
just like snow. When it falls in the wind, you know. And you, oh you say you wanna dance. You're wary, you know, you'll end up in the wrong hands. And you're having fun. Why don't you show your friends? And you're having fun. What if it never ends? I'm lacking sincerity, but you don't care at all. Missed booze, lit cigarettes, trying to take me home. Falling in love just a million times, breaking it off with the feeling on ice. She's as cold as December.
So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you guys give this a thumbs up. Of course, we always appreciate it. Of course, share it with your friends. As I said, if we get 25 likes, we'll go through and make a second version, or a third version actually, of this computer case. And I'm really looking forward to seeing where this video goes like the last one did. It was really popular, the last one, so let's see where this one goes. Of course, if you guys do enjoy the videos, maybe check out the channel as well. We do a whole wide range of that stuff as well. But thank you all for watching. Thank you for watching this far, and I guess I'll hopefully see you guys around next time. So see you guys next time. Bye.